So for those of you who have just joined us, welcome to Dive 12 of the NOAA Ocean Exploration Expedition, North Atlantic Stepping Stones. Today we're diving on a previously unmapped and unnamed seamount. It's been nicknamed by us the Y seamount due to a little feature up on its top that looks a little like a Y. Because this particular area has been unmapped and unexplored before, we're seeing this for the very first time today, and so we're going to document biology and geological features along the way.
If you look just at the lower part of the screen, maybe a feeding trace there. Is that what I'm seeing, all that black on the rock?
Yes, that might be.
I think I see a white ball at one point there in the upper left.
So several scientists in the chat room are saying that this is a Fissurellidae, which is in the genus Zeodora. These are otherwise known as slit limpets.
Wow.
Really unusual.
A great observation, yeah. I mean, that's got to be what's making that feeding trace. It's, you know, will these have radula, which is a hard protein rasping tongue? It's full of spines. Think of your tongue. If you're able to extend your tongue out of the mouth and press it against the surface and then scrape it back and forth like sandpaper and then scrape up whatever bacteria or other stuff is growing there.
This is a really unusual observation in the deep sea, and it would be really fascinating to learn what species this is, or even describe a new species if it is. A great discovery.